Finding few, reliable, easy to pull together weeknight meals is a never-ending quest in life. On busy nights, meals have to be simple. Just a handful of ingredients and family-friendly. An air fryer salmon recipe is perfect any night of the week for a quick, healthy, Mediterranean diet-inspired dinner. Salmon is so good, especially when cooked right, and the air fryer makes it perfect every time. With a healthy air fryer salmon recipe, you can also reap all the benefits of salmon in under 20 minutes. In every bite, you'll get a hearty amount of protein that's over 20 grams per 3.5 ounces serving. Brain-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and a whole slew of other vitamins and minerals that keep your body and brain sharp. You'll definitely love the convenience and amazing flavors in this seafood recipe. So how do you air fry salmon? To make this air fryer salmon recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: 2 to 3 salmon fillets, 6 ounces, rinsed and patted dry with paper towels. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon mustard, Dijon or whole grain. 1 teaspoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. 1/4 teaspoon coarse ground black pepper. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Here are the instructions for this recipe. 1. Combine honey, mustard, olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper in a small bowl. 2. Preheat the air fryer to 400 Fahrenheit. Lightly spray the basket with non-stick cooking spray or olive oil spray. Place salmon fillets in the basket and make sure they don't touch the sides. Brush the fillets with honey mustard mixture and air fry for 8 to 10 minutes or until done. 3. Depending on how many salmon fillets you're cooking and the size of your air fryer, you may need to air fry them in batches. Here are some tips for making the best air fryer salmon. 1. Choose your salmon. Both frozen and fresh salmon works for this recipe. If you're using frozen salmon, thaw it first before cooking. It should be clean, brightly colored, and free from soft spots or discolorations. 2. Dry it. Pat the salmon dry using paper towels to ensure the seasonings stick to it. Press the seasonings into the salmon for more flavor. 3. Don't use too much oil. When you spray your basket, avoid using excessive oil or it will get quite smoky. 4. Don't overcook. You do not want to overcook salmon. To make sure you don't overcook it, check the salmon early. Check the thickest part of the salmon with a meat thermometer. The internal temperature should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When done, remove it from the air fryer immediately because it will continue to cook if left in the basket. 5. Check the color. Even if you don't have a meat thermometer, you can tell when salmon is done by the color. Raw salmon is translucent and reddish. When it's cooked, it turns opaque pink. 6. Storage and reheating. Any leftover salmon should be wrapped well and stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. Gently reheat in the microwave or pop it back in the air fryer for a few minutes to reheat. It's great cold, too. Can you believe how easy and simple that is? We hope you like this air fryer salmon recipe as much as we do. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get my free ebook link in description box below to learn 10 essential steps to strengthen immune system so you feel your best.